Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Leanne.
And we're the old lady wives.
Have you ever wondered what essential gear to bring on a day hike?
Stick around as we hike the Kraft Mountain Calico Hills Loop Trail, and we will show you the essentials we carry in our backpack for an ideal day hike. See you out there.
Bye.
So this trail is located just outside of Las Vegas, and it is about 7 kilometers long. Wow, the views are just incredible though.
Well, I thought I was going to be cold, but I'm overdressed, so as soon as I can get into a spot where I can hide and change, I got to take some of these clothes off.
So the first piece of gear you need is a backpack.
Me and Liz carry very different backpacks. She likes to carry more weight than me. So the reason I like this backpack, the first thing I look for is color. I'm a color girl. I need a certain color before I'll buy it. Number 2 is I like to have lots of pockets. So I got this one big pocket which I can stuff all the way through. I can stick my bike helmet in here. And then I can put all my safety stuff in here, like wallets, usually my cell phone, but I forgot it. And then also with this pack, you can carry 2 liters of water, which is very important when you're doing desert hiking like we do, or when you're doing any hiking. You need water, and 2 liters usually lasts long enough for what we're doing. And the reason I Liz carries a heavier pack is because I'm slower than her and we need to slow her down, so we put more weight on her to slow her down.
So one of the things to look for in a pack also is the capacity, and mine is a 22 liter, so that means I can carry 22 liters of gear in here. Also, like Leanne said, it's the different pockets. I got all sorts of pockets. I've got these side pockets, these pockets here, right in here, right here. If we're mountain biking and we want to stop, I could put my helmet in here, yep, right in there. And then, you know, I have the upper pocket here, which I can put, you know, different stuff. I usually carry glasses and stuff like that in there, sunglasses. And then all my gear goes into this great big stuff here, which we will show you later. We'll continue along our hike. This is hard.
Yeah.
All right, and the second most important thing you need is water. So we both have water bladders, and my bladder carries 3 liters of water, which I think is pretty much minimum. Well, minimum is 2 liters. 3 liters is ideal, especially for hiking in the desert. I have 3 liters in here. It is wintertime, but it's still warm and dry out here. So very important to carry lots of water and have lots of capacity to carry lots of water. Thank you. Goodbye.
That's where we came from. Whoa, I almost fell backwards. That's the top. It's also important, very important, to bring lots of food, snacks, lots of calories. Make sure it's food that you love to eat, so you'll eat out there. Sometimes when you're doing something extreme, your stomach will not tell you to eat. So you have to remember to eat as many calories as you are burning. So me and Liz, we do not have a problem with bringing lots of food. We like to eat. We've picked out our food that we love over the years, and we figured out what works for us. First of all, we like to carry. We love these. Can we get these at home?
Nope.
No, we love these. They're real food. They taste really good. They've got high calories, good snacks. And our other go-to is lure bars.
So the first one is Kate's real food.
Yeah, this is Kate's real food, and then our lure bars. They're both real food and really good calories and turn into energy really easily. Then we always carry a fruit, a banana or an apple. And then we like other high calorie with some fat and lots of salt, which is good for sweating. And also, these are our favorite chips, and we can only get these in the States. So we always buy these when we come down. And then we always carry a sandwich. Today we're having a turkey sandwich with mustard and mayo and lettuce. And that is everything we're carrying today. So we each have this to keep us going, which is 7 kilometers, plenty of food.
Plenty of food. Another really important thing you should carry with you is some sort of navigation device. And we mostly use our cell phone.
We like to use all trails. We download the map before we go out so that if we get out there, there's no cell service, we can use it. And we really need this on this trail because there's so many offshoots that people have made. We never know if we were on the right trail or not. So we follow this. I keep this out so we don't get lost, even though we still are getting lost. But I highly recommend this when you're out there.
It's really beautiful in here. We're heading up there.
We're almost there. Sticky. This sandstone is sticky.
So we made it out of most of the boulder field. Wasn't too bad. A lot of route finding, but it was a lot of fun. That's where we came from, way down there through that valley of rocks.
That's Turtle Peak. Many years ago, me and Liz climbed to the top of that. Also, you need to have lots of different clothes in case you get stuck overnight. or you never know what's going to happen during the day with the weather changing. So I always carry or wear a long sleeve tech shirt, long tights that are also waterproof or resistant. I bring a toque in case it gets cold. And this is windproof and a rainproof. I always wear a baseball hat to keep the sun off. Also the rain, if it comes, it keeps it off your face. And then for emergency purposes, I always carry a lighter. Just a little one for this trip. It's just a day trip. If we were out here for days, I'd have a completely different system. But yeah, so we're prepared. We could probably spend one night out here. We've got enough for that.
What I carry for layers, I'm going to show you. I have my rain jacket right here. I have a wool long sleeve sweater shirt thing. And I've got my puffy.
You do? Wow.
Because we're out in the desert and it is winter out here, and at night it's dipping below 0. And a toque.
Maybe.
All right.
And here's where the problems begin. High or low? Which way do we go? We also carry water for purification in case we've run out of our 3 to 6 liters that we carry with us. Then we've got gloves in case it gets cold, wipes in case you go to the poo-poo, more toilet paper for poo-poo, our Garmin InReach, which is a satellite phone. So if we have any other problems, we can call for help. So we're very prepared, especially when it comes to poo-poo.
A couple more important things that we carry. A first aid kit, and in here I have multiple different bandages, blister bandages, gloves.
Yeah, you never know when you need a good glove, especially after you poo-poo.
Yeah, and then I have just a bunch of ibuprofen just in case, right?
Yep.
I have a bivvy, an emergency bivvy that we can wrap ourselves in.
If we get stuck out here.
If we get stuck out here. And also, because it is winter and I would carry this anyway, is a headlamp. Just in case we were stuck out here in the dark. It can light our way.
So as you can see, we're pretty prepared. We've been doing this for a very long time.
And we've learned lessons along the way.
Hard ways. Many times we have done dumb things.
Yes. So it's extremely important to carry essential gear with you, even on a day hike. Because you never know what will happen.
Never know what will happen. It is so true.
What do you guys carry with you on a day hike? And let us know in the comments down below.
And if you have any suggestions of anything else we could carry, let us know in the comments.
We are heading down a wash right now.
I'd much rather go down this than up.
A lot easier walking down a wash than up a wash. Oh yeah, it's wet down here. Bit of would have been water down here.
Not too long ago. There's a spring, comes out of there. So there is water in the desert if we were desperate. Look at these rocks. They're called calico, and you can see why. Freaking amazing. Look at the lovely pattern in there. Look at the patterns.
Wow.
They're so beautiful. Nature is just perfect.
Look at it.
We're in the shade now and I'm freezing. Coming to the end of the trail here. We're turning the corner. We'll be heading towards the direction now of the parking lot. People in the 60s used to come out here like hippies. No one was out here on this side, and there would be some water or something. They'd be sitting along some river. Well, we hope that you learned something and some essential gear that you should carry when you're doing a day hike.
For an ideal day hike.
Ideal one for sure. Well, this was an ideal day hike. It was beautiful. It didn't rain. It's sunny. It's not too hard. It's not too long. I highly recommend it. A family, your little kids could do this for sure.
I'd say medium hard. There is some route navigation you have to do. There's no clear trail when you're climbing up the boulders in the first part of it.
Yeah.
But if you have a download all trail map, you should be fine.
Yep, totally. So thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And remember,
keep on
adventuring.
See you in the next video. Bye.